Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here, if you are looking for a digital signage solution for your home, office, school or business, you have probably come across Darkboard and Mango Display. Both can turn a screen into an information hub, but they are designed for different types of users. So let's compare them in this video. So first of all, Darkboard focuses on the customizable dashboards. You can combine the calendars, weather, photos, to-do lists, news feeds, and smart home information into a single display. Mango Display is built more like a traditional digital signage platform, allowing you to create and manage the content across one or multiple screens with a focus on the presentations and the announcements. When it comes to the content options, both platforms support images, calendars, and custom layouts. Darkboard is stronger for the personal use, family command centers, and productivity dashboards where you want information updated in the real time. Mango Display is better suited for the businesses, schools, waiting rooms, and offices that need scheduling content, promotions, displays, and centralized screen management. So when we talk about ease of use, so Darkboard provides you plenty of customization options, but creating the perfect dashboard may require some type of setup and experimentation. Mango Display offers a more structured digital signage experience that makes it easier to manage the content across the displays without spending as much time on the customization. So you can choose Darkboard if you want a highly customizable dashboard for personal, family, or productivity use. You can go with Mango Display if you need a dedicated digital signage solution for displaying the announcements, business information, and scheduled content across screens. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.